Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Paper. They're looking for part-time essay reviewers. It pays up to $17.50 per hour. We are looking for experienced part-time essay reviewers dedicated to making education more equitable to join our growing team. Our essay reviewers are language and writing experts who approach essay review as tutors rather than as editors or proofreaders using the Paper method, a customized methodology to engage with students and help them develop their writing skills by providing comprehensive reviews that focus on content, structure, tone, citations, as well as sentence-level mechanical issues such as grammar, punctuation, etc. You'll have the chance to hone your essay review skills, all while making a meaningful difference in students' lives by helping them improve their academic, professional, and personal writing skills. Responsibilities: essay review, provide asynchronous constructive feedback and suggestions on student essays, assignments, conduct pedagogical assessments, and provide feedback to teachers and students. Create an engaging learning environment and enhance student confidence and interest in learning. Contribute to the Tutor team by offering your knowledge and support to peers. Qualifications: essay review or tutoring 1+ year. Undergraduate degree in relevant field. Passionate about learning and teaching. Consistently available to work at least 10 hours per week. Reliable access to laptop, computer, and internet. Ability to sit and type at a computer for long periods of time. Job perks: work with a dynamic team that provides support whenever you get stuck. Work from the comfort of your home. Flexible schedule based on your availability. Opportunity for career development and advancement into management with a fast-growing company. A unique opportunity to make an impact by making education more equitable. Scheduling: student demand fluctuates throughout the school year, peaking in the fall and dropping off during winter holidays and summer. Part-time tutors may receive up to 30 hours of tutoring shifts per week. Our tutors work within blocks, and you can select one per day to create your availability within. Block 1, 4 a.m. 2 p.m. EST. Block 2, 11 a.m. 10 p.m. EST. Block 3, 8 p.m. 6 a.m. EST. Our tutors start at $17.50 divided by hour. Wages are paid biweekly, direct deposit in your national currency. Hashtag Paper Tutor. Job type: part-time. Salary from $17.50 per hour. Benefits: 401. Flexible schedule. Referral program. Schedule: day shift, evening shift, Monday to Friday, night shift, overnight shift, weekend availability. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.